Hi, my name is Tzachi Levent-Levy. I'm the founder of BlogGeek.me and WebRTC courses. I'm here to break down real-time communications so you don't have to. Let's understand why less is often going to be more when it comes to WebRTC. Here's an example. Let's say that I have a content that is being sent from one user to another. The first user is going to look at the camera. There is 1080p and HD video in there at 30 frames per second. We're going to take that video and encode it. Once we encode it, we're going to send it over the network. So we sent 2 or 3 megabits per second over the network. The receiver is now looking at it saying, well, I've got a bit stream here at 2.5 or 2 megabits per second. It's 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. Let's decode it, decompress it so I can display that. After decoding, it goes and looks and says, well, the user needs to put it on this smallish window on the screen. This smallish window has a resolution of WVGA. So I'm going to take the big video that I had, scale it down, and display that. Everything's great, right? We had high quality video and we show it as best as we can. Now let's look the other approach. Now the user here is smart. He says, well, the guy over there needs it at WVGA. So I'll just take the content, ignore the fact that it's HD, I'll scale it down at the source, encode a WVGA at 30 frames per second instead of 1080p. I don't need 2 or 3 megabits per second now when I encode it. I can do that at 600 kilobits per second at a good enough quality. So now I send over the network only 600 kilobits per second instead of 2 or 3 megabits per second. The receiver, he now receives only 600 kilobits per second instead of 2 or 3 megabits. So he decodes that, which takes less CPU and less memory to do so. Now that it's got it decoded, he needs to display that, and he doesn't need to scale up or down because it's the right size already. So look what happened here. We had the same video. We can send it at a high resolution and then scale it down at the destination, or we can decide at the source to actually scale it down and process it in a way that everyone, including the network, uses a lot less resources. So we're now using less things to do more. Follow me at bloggeek.me.com and make sure to subscribe for these videos and also like this video.